beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on what I typically do here at Kanekiki Farm in Hawaii. It's a Friday, so I'm probably going to do something a little bit more fun at the end of the day. And I'm really excited to have you join me. Alright, so for breakfast I have a really simple meal here. I have sliced bananas, I have some Fuji apples, I have some raw pecans, and then to make things interesting I have some chia seeds and golden raisins and cinnamon. So it's a good balance of energy, carbohydrates. I have my proteins in there. It has some omega-3s, which are really important. And most importantly, it tastes so good. And something else I had for breakfast was this delicious rollinia. What do you think, Shai?
It's amazing. It's like yogurt.
Yeah, it kind of to me tastes like a custardy apple pie, yeah, with cinnamon. And it tastes fantastic with cinnamon added on top. And it's really creamy and delicious and tender, and it's one of my favorite fruits here, rollinia. So it's pouring rain right now, and since it's a Friday, there's no harvest going on today, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some painting of the Bobby's hut, which is further up on the property. And what I've been doing is a lot of painting, and I love to paint, so let's get to that. Okie dokie, so part of my work trade here at Kanekiki's, I've been painting this house here. As you can see, this is all colored like a brownish purple color. That's what I'll be doing today for about 2 to 4 hours. Me and Katie just finished our workout, and recently my friend Sherry just called asking if I want to go to Hilo and check out a waterfall that I've never seen before. So that's what's going to happen today. I'm going to of course bring you along with to see what that looks like. I'm going to quickly get some food to eat. That workout was a little bit shorter than I intended, but at least I got it in and I feel good about that. So right now we're going to a waterfall called Narnia, but I'm not quite sure what the official name is. It may not even have an official name, but I'm with my friend.
It's Narnia.
Narnia! We're going in the closet. Going in the closet, the wardrobe. The wardrobe, yeah. So we just got back from the waterfall, and now I'm going to find some food. I'm really hungry. Alright, so for the first time ever, I'm trying the papaya salad from Island Naturals. And I also got some kelp noodles, some kale chips, some non-local greens, and some raw coconut wraps. So I'm gonna be set. So I'm really stepping up my game here. I put the papaya salad.
I never sprouted.
In the coconut wrap. And then Anne was having a delicious pad thai. Yeah. And they're juice fasting.
Juicing
Cheers! Pear juice. Good stuff. Good morning. It's the next day. I'm wearing my awesome Cat's Christmas sweater, but just wanted to say what we did last night. We ended up getting some food at Island Naturals, and then we came back to Kanekiki. And it was good. It was a really good time. The waterfall was beautiful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next video.